Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tiny Crochet Lab, where I crochet and share fascinating stories about the natural world. Today, while making a cute little crochet octopus, we're going to discover a real-life adventure that shows just how amazingly smart octopuses can be. Can you believe an octopus once opened a jar like a person and escaped from its tank in the middle of the night? It sounds like science fiction, but this story is absolutely true. In 2016, at New Zealand's National Aquarium, there was a very special resident named Inky, a small gray octopus with incredible intelligence. One night, after a staff member accidentally left a drain cover slightly open, Inky made his move. He skillfully used his flexible arms like nimble hands, slid out of the tank, and quietly crawled more than 4 meters down a hallway toward a drain pipe that led straight to the sea. By morning, he had completely disappeared into the ocean, leaving only a trail of seawater across the floor as proof of his daring escape. Octopuses are remarkable creatures. Their neurons aren't just in their heads, but also spread through their arms, letting them think and act at the same time. They can even change the color of their skin to camouflage and are clever enough to unscrew lids and solve puzzles. As I crochet each tentacle of this little yarn octopus, I imagine Inky slipping through the hallway, every arm working independently to find freedom in the open ocean. And here it is. This tiny crochet octopus is my tribute to that incredible getaway. Inky's story amazed the world and reminds us that the ocean is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Do you think this crochet octopus is as smart as Inky? Leave me a comment to share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories while we crochet together. And now, please stay tuned for the crochet tutorial. Make sure to watch until the end.